Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, it is what referred as lepeny. This is Hungarian recipe. Lepeny is like pie, but most of the times it's in the form of rectangular shape. And for today's lepeny, it is sort of like a cheesecake, but it's different from American style cheesecake. It is using the cottage cheese, the homemade cottage cheese, which is Turo. In Hungarian it's called Turo, but basically it's similar to farmer's cheese. The following lepeny is Kapros Turos, which is dill and cottage cheese pie. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For dry ingredients or for the crust, this is 1/4 cup of enriched flour with 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a generous pinch of salt. Just mix it. Add in 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 1 yolk. So that's yolk only. And you start kneading it until it becomes a nice dough. Once texture crumbly like so, that's when you add in the sour cream. Again, you want to mix all of this until it becomes nice dough. So you want to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream at a time until it's pliable. Coming along nicely, so this is about 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Now you just want to roll them flat into a rectangular and place it on the baking pan. So just roll flat into rectangular shape like so, and just lift the parchment paper and place it on your baking pan like that. And if you want, you can trim these sides and make it a nice rectangular, or you can leave it as is. This is 500 gram or half pound of Hungarian cottage cheese, which is farmer's cheese with 2 yolk. We're just gonna cream it. Then add in fresh dill, but mine were frozen. You can use dry dill, fresh dill, frozen dill that you thawed, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and a super generous pinch of salt, and mix again. Now beat the egg white. So you want this consistency, that is thick. Now we're gonna mix it with our cottage cheese. Just dump it on your crust and spread it nicely, covering the crust or the skin. Now top the filling with 3 to 4 tablespoons of sour cream. While for the skin I use low fat, for the top I use 5% low sour cream. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Now cool it on cookie rack. You can, this is actually already done, but you can broil the top so it's browning. It's up to you. Once cooled, slice into portions and serve it. You can serve it room temperature, chilled, or sprinkled with icing sugar.